Hi, welcome to Socialpost Health Channel viewers. I, Dr. Chava Anjaneyulu, Senior Consultant ENT Surgeon, working with Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagota, Hyderabad. Asian ENT Care Center is having all the facilities to diagnose accurately the disease, to treat with all advanced equipment for ear, nose, throat problem. Many people, they are suffering with the blocked nose, difficulty in breathing, and disturbance during sleep. That means sleepless nights. They are having blocking nose, difficulty in breathing, nasal obstruction, mouth breathing. With that you will have nasal obstruction along with the throat dryness. Both together will cause sleep disturbance in the night time. Many people, those who are having nasal obstruction, they are using nasal drops. They are seeing the advertisement, get fast relief with the nasal drops, and they are using. That is not good at all. Only in emergency situations you can use a nasal drop and contact ENT doctor once you reach the local area where whoever available ENT doctor contact. Otherwise, if you are using nasal drops for months together, it will cause harm. It causes rhinitis medicamentosa side effect. Rhinitis medicamentosa is very difficult to treat even with the laser surgeries. So don't take that problem to that serious level. Whenever you have nasal obstruction, sleep disturbance, contact ENT doctor, get a nasal endoscopic evaluation. Most of the times in endoscopy, we know the problem. Usually the common problems in adults are deviated nasal septum. In college students, especially girls, the common problem is the inferior turbinate hypertrophy. In children, especially around 6-7 years age, the common problem is adenoid hypertrophy. All these, adenoid hypertrophy, deviated nasal septum, inferior turbinate hypertrophy, all these cause the nasal obstruction and disturbance during the sleep. Nasal endoscopy completely confirm accurately your problem. If there is any signs of sinusitis like facial pain, headache, discomfort around the eye, discomfort on the cheek, get the CT scan also, which will tell you any sinusitis, inflammation in the sinus problem. So once endoscopy done, it is very easy to treat your problem. Nowadays, because of the persistent viral infections in the atmosphere and pollutants, now pollution is more. These pollutants and persistent viral infections causing the persistent turbinate hypertrophy in young children, that means college students, and adenoid hypertrophy in children. In adults, those who have the nasal obstruction due to deviated nasal septum, due to pollution and viral infection, simultaneously they are having the inferior turbinate hypertrophy. Both inferior turbinate hypertrophy and nasal obstruction cause the deviated nasal septum cause the nasal obstruction problem. It is very easy to treat. Only nasal obstruction, if the college students are having due to turbinate hypertrophy, we can simply reduce the inferior turbinates with the coagulator and we can improve their airway. That students are doing very well, especially during exams with the stress. With the turbinate hypertrophy, they are suffering a lot. It is easy nowadays. Come and get treatment with the coagulator. If there is a deviated nasal septum, we do the septoplasty and inferior turbinoplasty, simple procedure with the lasers, with other equipments, their airway will improve. Adenoid hypertrophy, especially children around 4-5 years, parents think any complications, any recurrence, or can we leave it? If there is a persistent adenoid hypertrophy along with symptoms, nasal obstruction, mouth breathing, snoring, if sometimes ear pain, don't neglect and get adenoidectomy surgery with the coagulator. Nowadays with advanced technology, under endoscopy guidance, we are doing the adenoidectomy. Most of the times it will not recur. Patient will get very good relief. So get the surgery with coagulator, adenoidectomy surgery. So if you have any nasal obstruction problem, contact Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. They will evaluate you with nasal endoscopy, necessary radiological investigation. They provide treatment with lasers, coagulator, and other necessary equipment. You can get good relief from the nasal obstruction. For further updates, subscribe Socialpost Health channel YouTube.